Hello everyone, my name is Kate. Welcome to my channel. I upload videos weekly, so hit that subscribe button if you haven't already so don't miss any of my uploads. So for today's video, we are going to be trying out the new Dior 5 colors Couture eyeshadow palette. This one's in the shade Soft Cashmere. It's the 669 Soft Cashmere. I already did a video for the 5 colors Couture Black Bow and Jungle. I did 4 different looks on that video. I'll have the link down in the description so you can check them out later. And those two palettes, I really liked it, so I'm very excited to try this one out. So let's open the box. I haven't tried this on yet, or I haven't really swatched them. This is my first time opening this box. Very excited. It has a guide here for a soft look and an intense look. And the gorgeous palette. It's very sophisticated and compact, so it's good for traveling. I really like it. And of course, the mirror, it has a plastic sleeve and 2 little brushes that has the Dior logo on it. Let's take off the plastic sleeve. And now the shades. So these are the shades. And you have the Dior engraved on there. Very beautiful. These are the 2 little brushes that it came with. And again, on the box, it has a soft look guide and an intense look guide. So I'm going to be doing 3 different eye looks for this video. I'm going to be doing the soft look, an intense look, and my own look. So let's get started. I'll do swatches first. So I'm going to swatch this shade first. So that's one swipe. As I'm looking at the viewfinder, you can barely see it, but it's very beautiful. It's shimmery. It has some tiny glitters, and it's very smooth. Let's move on to this shade right here. So this is her on one swipe. Wow, I did not expect that to show off that much. That is so pretty. So gorgeous. Now, let's try this shade. Wow, that is very pretty too. I'm not sure if my camera is on focus, but yeah, and these are very smooth. Now let's try this shade right here. That is super pretty. I don't know why I thought this was going to be a super light palette. Like, I don't know why I expected to be not this pigmented. It's very pigmented, very smooth. I really like this so far. And now the last one. This one's the darkest shade. Yes, it's the darkest shade, very smooth. I really like it. So these are all the shades. So I loved all the shades except one. The first one I didn't really love. Like, it's beautiful, it's shiny, a little bit glittery, very smooth, but it's not showing up on my skin tone. It looks like it's nothing. But maybe that's just me. I don't know. Maybe you would like this. Maybe this would look good on your skin tone. On my skin tone, it does not. Like, it does not show up at all. But yeah, other than that, these 4 shades, gorgeous. So let's go ahead and try them out. For the first look, I'm going to be doing the soft look, following the guide on the packaging. So on the guide on the packaging, for the soft look, we're going to be using this 3 shades right here. 1, 2, 3. So I'm going to start. So for the first look, I'm going to start with this shade right here. And I'm going to put this on my outer V and on my crease. I'm just blending this out. By the way, I've already did like my makeup except my eye makeup, so my eyes are already primed and ready. I don't know about you, but I love this. You can already tell how pretty this is. And then next, using this shade, I'm going to use my finger and I'm going to put this all over my lids. And then with my brush, I'm going back with this shade again and blend it on my outer V and onto my crease again. And again, using this shade, I'm going to take a smaller brush and put this under my lower lash line. And then using a small packer brush, I'm just going to take some of these and put it on my inner corner. So this is what the soft look looks like. Very simple and soft. So let's proceed with the intense look. For the intense look, as suggested on the packaging, we are going to be using these 3 shades right here on the bottom. So I'm going to be starting off with this shade. And I'm blending and putting this on my outer V and onto my crease. Next, I'm going to be taking this dark shade and focus this on my outer V. And still using the dark shade, I'm going to be putting it under my lower lash line, but just on the outer half part, connecting it to the top lid. There, just like that. Then using my finger, I'm going to be taking this shade and put it all over my lids. So this one's the intense look and this one is the soft look. For the last look, I'm going to be using these 3 shades, this, and this. Starting off with this shade, and I'm just going to blend this on my outer V and onto my crease. This shade is a perfect transition shade. Also, it's very pretty that you can use it on its own. Like, you can put this all over your lid and you're good to go. Look at that, it's super pretty. But I swear this is super smooth. I've already done one eye. And then using my finger, I'm going to be taking this shade and put it all over my lids. And then I'm going back with this shade and put this on my outer V and onto my crease again. And then use the darkest shade, this one, and focus it on my outer V. And I'm putting it a little bit onto my lower lash line, but just on the outer part, like so. With a brush, I'm going to be taking this shade again and put this on my inner corners. And with my beauty sponge, I'm just going to clean this up. So this is the last look. It's very beautiful. This is actually my favorite look among the 3. So now I'm just going to put on eyeliner, lashes, and mascara, then I'll be right back. So this is what it looks like with my liner, lashes, and mascara on my bottom lashes. Again, I'm so sorry if I keep looking at the viewfinder. I'm trying to see if I'm on focus and on frame. But yeah, I really like it. This is what it looks like. So now for my final thoughts about this product. I really love this product, except that one shade that won't show up. This shade right here, the lightest shade, just won't show up on my skin tone. I'm not sure if you can tell. It's barely there, especially when you blend it out, it like disappears. But yeah, this is a very good product. I don't know if that shade would show up on lighter skin tones, maybe. All the other shades though are really great. I really love this shade. This one's my favorite. It's the one on like all over my lid. I really love it. and the texture and the like color payoff is very sophisticated. I can feel it's expensive. It feels expensive, and it's a good thing because this palette is expensive. So I think it's worth it, and I really like it. Again, I've already done a video about the black bow one and the jungle one on another video. I'll have the link down in the description box so you can check them out later. Again, this is in the shade Soft Cashmere. So that is it for today's video. I hope you guys like it. I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching. Stay safe, guys. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, so don't miss any of my uploads. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Okay, thank you. Bye.